This video tutorial tries to explain how to find out mean, median, and mode. If you have the data in the Microsoft Word, what you have to do first, sort all of the data. Then, copy the data. Paste your data in your SPSS. I use SPSS 16, but if your PC is not compatible with these SPSS, you can use another SPSS. After you paste the data, there are 4 columns. And what you have to do, you move those data into first column. You sort the data, cut, and paste to the first column. Sort again, cut, and paste to the first column. Do those steps till all of the data move to the first column. After you did those steps, check once more that those data have already moved into the first column. Here the last data should be in line 52. In the left lower of your screen, there are 2 taskbars, Data View and Variable View. Now click Variable View. Rename the first column by double-click, then type the name. You may also change the decimal. Change it into 0 and go back to Data View. And now your data have already changed. Follow the steps to find out mean, median, and mode. In the upper taskbars, find out Analyze. And then descriptive statistics and frequencies. You have to move nilai into variables by click this arrow. Then click Statistics. You will see another view screen and then find out Control Tendency, check mean, median, mode, and sum. Then continue. If you are back to the first view screen and now click Chart. Click histogram and with normal curve. Continue. You'll back to the first view screen and now click OK. You will see this view screen. There are 3 results. First, statistic and a complete table of nilai, and the last one, histogram. In the first table, you can see mean 75, median 75, mode 70. The number of 70 as mode you may check in the second table in a column frequency that 70 has the most frequencies 15, so that's why the mode here is 70. In the second table, the frequencies shows the equal number with the data, which is 52, and here the smallest number is 40 and the largest number is 95. Now we're going to analyze the histogram with mean 75. Here the y-axis is frequency and the x-axis is nilai, with 70 as the most number found, the curve is positive.